Hi, I'm Ryan from Ooznest. On today's Make a Minute, we're going to be making an engineer's square from this piece of aluminium on the WorkBee CNC machine. To run our first set of toolpaths, we're going to be using a 1/4 inch upcut bit. This is available from our store. We're now going to reference our work position using our XYZ touch probe. With the end mill secured in place, our material clamped down, our XYZ touch probe has referenced the corner, we can begin the job. For this project, we've got the machine running at 450mm per minute feed rate with 150mm per minute plunge, the spindle at 16k r.p.m. with a 0.2mm pass depth. We're now going to switch to a 1/8 collet and put in our 90-degree engraver. We're now going to remove the project from the spoiler board and take it into the workshop and hacksaw out the tabs. We recommend using a metalworking file to flush trim and flatten the tabs. To give a smoother finish and remove any tool marks, we're going to be using a burnishing attachment on our drill. One maker's minute square complete.